Did you know sweet potatoes are not really potatoes? They are tubers.
So these are two organic sweet potatoes that I got from my local Wally Mart, and I'm going to use these to try to grow slips so that I can grow my own sweet potatoes in containers. So all I'm going to do, I'll bring you along shortly, is just lay them flat in the soil, moisten the soil, and basically forget about them. And hopefully they will produce some slips. Okay, so hopefully you can see very well on my handy dandy utility cart. We have the potatoes pressed down into soil. The uh, tray itself is one of my planting trays. It's not very deep, but I hope it's deep enough to do what I want it to do. And we're going to take spray bottle and moisten the soil. Well, we want to. Spray bottle isn't working, cooperating. Let's see if I have another top. Well, I don't have another top, but we're going to just wing it. Okay, hopefully this will work. I'm going to leave this in my greenhouse and check on it often. And hopefully we will have some slips that I could plant before the end of the year so we can have sweet potatoes. Everything, as you know, everything for me is delayed due to the move. So I'm trying to play catch up as I go along. I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this potato planting, or potato slip planting rather. Hopefully, the process will work. I've seen it done on other YouTubers' channels, so hopefully it'll work on mine. If you got something out of it, give me a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, suggestions, ideas, let me know, and I'll be sure to respond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you're a returning subscriber and viewer, I appreciate you. You guys make this channel go, and you have made it become what it is. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Lastly, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.